Hey guys, this is Steve again with LRM. Today we're going to talk about the breather tubes on the differentials. Some of the things that you can do to, for preventive maintenance. So the biggest thing is there are a few different ones, right? There's ones that have a hose that come off, and there might be one that has like a little Coke can pop cap on top, and that needs to be loose, and the hose needs to be connected. So usually what you need to do is blow out the hose, right? To make sure it's not filled with blockage, any kind of debris. I've seen bugs in there, I've seen dirt. Even when a wheel seal is blown, oil may have gotten inside of it a little bit. But what you want to do is make sure that the hose is clear. And this allows pressure, because it creates heat inside and allows the pressure to escape from the differential. So they're located in a few spots. This one is bolted more towards the front housing of area of this differential. And then the second location might be located usually right on top of the housing when it's just screwed down with a little hose, or again, a little valve, it looks like a little Coke cap on top, and that should be free. If it's missing, you need to replace it. If the hose is cracked or gone or missing, you need to replace. Just make sure you have good free flowing through the hose as well as the line. You can use like a little pencil or a straw to make sure it's clear if it's using a hose style. And then the one with the breather cap, right? You just gotta make sure that cap's loose. You may wanna replace it maybe every other year, just to make sure that it's in good working order. Other than that, it's a very simple process. You guys can do this completely at your own when you're at home with a crescent wrench, and it's that easy. So what we can do is I'm gonna show you the location on this truck here and the hose, so you know what to look for. So let's hop right into that. All right, so this vent tube, as you can see, is on the housing, and it's a very small hose. And what you wanna do is make sure you can remove the clip and blow through it, run some warm water, dry it out, make sure this hose is clear. If the hose is missing, you need to replace it. If it's cracked or broken, you need to be replaced. This one here is located right here on the differential housing itself. All right guys, if you like what you saw today, please pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns of what you've seen today, leave me a comment at the bottom. If you guys subscribe and give me some more ideas for some content, please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment. I'll see you guys around in the next video.